Reclaiming my emotions.
What in the fuck? You look like you got a fucking carrot top for a...
There's a tornado outside. It's a little windy.
Is that beer tasty?
Actually, it's sweet tea.
Oh, it is. You look like Jim Carrey. Or
I wish I had Jim Carrey's money.
Or Chris Farley. That's crazy looking.
Yeah, you like that?
Look, don't point that shit at me.
I'm not. But it,
You know Chris Farley and Tommy Boy? That's what you look like.
If you need to light a bonfire, I am the fire.
Stop. You just fucked my
It's time
camera
to
up.
make irresponsible choices.
You're not gonna drive anywhere.
Car keys.
Yeah. I'll hide
I
this.
drive wherever my heart takes me. Whether it's into a canyon, into a fucking blizzard, through a fucking snowstorm, which would be considered a blizzard.
You're fucking dumb. Your little butt's hanging